Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is March 27th, 2017, and Pepper and I are out here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, testing some more old motors. This is going to be the third and final one for tonight. This one here is a 1957 Johnson 7.5. I did just do a GPS run with it, and I got 13 out of it, and Pepper is not up front. She's sitting right next to me right now, so I don't know if we'll get that back out of it again. It does have a bit of a rattle in the hood. I guess I'll have to do a little work on that yet, but for the most part, it seems to run pretty good. So this one got all the usual. I got, water pump, gear case reseal, power head base gasket, lower crank seals, coils, points, condensers, wires, plugs, fuel lines, and a carb kit. So anyway, we'll give you a show on this one. Water nice. No problem, folks. No problem. Yeah, he's going up down. No problem. Well, it's pretty rattly on it, but I still take care of that. This is what I did. I also put a replacement power head on this motor. So, it's going good. And reverse. And back into forward. Okay, that'll do it for today. I think I'm going to come back out again tomorrow. The forecast is 60 degrees tomorrow. Should be a nice day to come out. So, we'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.